As you all remember, Johnny Depp and Amber Heard's divorce has not ended with its finalization back in 2017. As a matter of fact, it's continued on up until today, with all the court cases Johnny has filed against Amber's team and even against news outlets for putting his name on the bad side of the spotlight. When Amber Heard filed for divorce, it did not revolve around your usual divorce cases. It surpassed that, and she accused the former husband of hurting her, which Johnny has denied countless times. Amber seemed to have been losing more and more of her supporters due to more and more evidence surfacing in the media, including the fact that she couldn't provide proof that she donated the huge sum of money, $7 million to be exact, she got from her divorce settlement, which she promised to donate to charity. But where is it now? Then there was evidence of her having affairs with an actor and a multi-billionaire, James Franco, and Elon Musk. However, despite all this evidence and Johnny's efforts to clear his name, and even though many supporters believe otherwise, a news publisher still latched on to what Amber said and called Johnny Depp a very bad name, which obviously he did not like. As a result, Johnny filed for a libel case against the news publisher The Sun for calling him something that they have no evidence for yet, but unfortunately, he lost this case. And you might think this lost case with the news publisher did not cost him much aside from his reputation, but you'd be mistaken. When you are a public figure, you need to care a lot about your image, and for Johnny, this lost case has somehow given other people, especially Amber's team, an advantage and a reason for people to believe Amber regarding her allegations. And in Johnny's case of damaged reputation, it cost him 2 of his major roles in major movie series, the Fantastic Beasts series and one of Disney's highest-grossing film series, Pirates of the Caribbean. It is with no doubt that this marriage that only lasted for more than a year has taken a huge toll on Johnny's long-running career. For decades now, Johnny has been considered one of the most versatile actors in the industry, and he seems to still be at the top of his game as he started high-grossing films such as Fantastic Beasts and Pirates of the Caribbean. But unfortunately, these roles were cut from him when he lost the libel case against The Sun, as a result, of course, due to his post-marriage dispute with Amber Heard. Following his lost libel case, Johnny Depp was fired from reprising his iconic role as Grindelwald in the critically acclaimed film series Fantastic Beasts. It is no question that the movie series has gained a lot of commercial attention after its initial release, as the whole film series is a prequel to one of the highest-grossing film series of all time, the Harry Potter films. But before this, Johnny had taken on too many roles to count, many of those comprising the bizarre and eccentric world of Tim Burton's films. But one franchise that really made his career skyrocket to the top is the commercially successful Pirates of the Caribbean series, which ran from 2003 to 2017. Many fans take a look at Johnny Depp and immediately recognize him as Jack Sparrow, probably his most iconic role yet. People loved Pirates of the Caribbean, specifically Jack Sparrow, and fans, Disney followers or not, have followed the series from its first movie up until its 5th. And admit it, you just couldn't imagine Pirates of the Caribbean without Johnny Depp to play as Jack Sparrow in it. It is just absurd to not see him in the franchise. However, sadly enough for fans, the 6th movie of the said series will not be including our favorite Jack Sparrow, much to fans' dismay. But how did it end up this way? Why won't Disney recast Johnny Depp despite Warner Brothers sticking with Amber Heard? Let's find out in this video. But before that, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell first for more updates. Let's dig in. Pirates of the Caribbean is unarguably one of Disney's most popular and profitable live-action franchises that did not stem from a classic animated film with a multi-billion-dollar gross. While the 5th movie in the series, Dead Men Tell No Tales, didn't light up the domestic box office the way previous films did, the movie still made nearly $800 million globally, and that's not the sort of money you would ever expect Disney to just forget about. Now there have been rumors that there will be a 6th Pirates of the Caribbean movie, However, there are no clear details yet about what this movie will be about. But despite the vagueness of the details on the next Pirates movie, one thing's already for sure: we won't be seeing Johnny Depp as Jack Sparrow. We know what you're thinking. Absurd, right? What's the point of Pirates of the Caribbean without Johnny Depp? Since he introduced Captain Jack Sparrow to the world, the character and the film series have been one and the same. While Captain Jack is rarely the man the Pirates of the Caribbean film is actually about, he's a huge part of the story, and for many people, a Pirates movie without Jack just wouldn't be a Pirates movie. Actually, the moment Disney mentioned a Pirates of the Caribbean reboot, Johnny was considered already out of the picture. Producer Jerry Bruckheimer reportedly was campaigning to get Johnny a cameo role in the next Pirates movie, but Disney has allegedly rejected that idea, so that means we won't see Sparrow even in a small role to pass the torch to whoever becomes the new franchise lead. The story of Captain Jack Sparrow may be over, but the franchise is still moving forward. According to a Washington Post report, Disney is said to have dropped Johnny from the Pirates of the Caribbean franchise just 4 days after the now infamous 2018 op-ed regarding Amber Heard's case came out. Johnny's lawyers claim that Johnny's removal from the multi-billion-dollar grossing franchise is because of these allegations. The complaint also blamed Amber Heard for Disney announcing that it had dropped Depp from the Pirates of the Caribbean franchise 4 days after the op-ed was published, it said. What seems to be unfair, however, is the fact that Johnny had presented much evidence that Amber was actually the villain in the story, including the fact that she couldn't provide proof that she donated the money she got from her divorce settlement, which she promised to donate to charity. But where is it now? Then there was evidence of her having affairs with an actor and a multi-billionaire, James Franco and Elon Musk. And there was also a phone record where Amber admitted that she hurt him. But what made most people very upset was the fact that Johnny Depp was forced to step down from his roles in Fantastic Beasts and probably a 6th Pirates movie, while Amber happily and freely trains for her role as Queen Mira in Aquaman 2. In 2018, Disney production chief Sean Bailey confirmed that Depp was no longer a part of the Pirates franchise's future plans, and even told The Hollywood Reporter that they wanted to bring a new energy and vitality to the series, giving it a kick in the pants. But perhaps, as long as we're not seeing the next Pirates franchise with our own eyes, we won't be able to tell if it's the right decision to kick Johnny out of the series, who literally had a huge impact on why the franchise was a global hit. After changing hands recently, the script for Pirates of the Caribbean 6 has yet to be completed. Creators have been quiet on details, but rumors circulated Disney wanted a female-driven story, and fans quickly jumped at the idea of going back to the original theme park ride for inspiration. It is indeed evident that this saga between Johnny Depp and Amber Heard has caused some riffraff in his career, as, just a few years ago, Johnny was one of the highest-paid actors in the industry, but now his cases have made him somehow seem less attractive at the box office. But sure enough, if this court case goes well for him and his team, then we hope for sure that he might be able to reprise his roles in Pirates of the Caribbean and even in Fantastic Beasts, if there will be future sequels to come. That's all for today. We hope you enjoyed that video, and we will see you in the next one. Make sure to like, subscribe, and smash that notification bell for more updates.